In this video, I'm going to show you how to run ads on Instagram. So, you want to open up your Instagram and go to your profile. Now, you need to make sure that you are on a professional/business account, because if you're not, you won't be able to run any ads. Now, once you're here, click on Professional Dashboard, then scroll down and click Add Tools, choose Post. Now, for some reason, I'm not eligible to boost anything with this account, but basically what you do is you boost post, you select that specific post, and then it takes you to a budget. You can choose, do you want daily budget or like an overall budget. Daily budget is what it spends a day, and overall, if it takes like a week, it will spend all the money or maybe in 1 or 2 days. After that, you choose your interest, so if you're targeting male or female, what age, what interest group, and etc. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe, and comment if this video helped you out. If it didn't, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you out.